Scanner giveaway video. Let's go over the features on this scanner. Got her plugged into the OBD2 port, the DLC, and the key is in the on position. Startup is super easy. Just hit diagnose. You can scan or go right to OBD2. We'll start with the meat and potatoes. Read codes and erase codes. Shows all your codes, everything you need to know. Now we can go to erase codes. And we can read again. And we have one code left, which means this is persistent right now. You have your live data. Right now we got it on metric. We can change it to imperial because that's what we're dealing with here. Graphic data. Freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring, evap systems test. All right, back to our main screen. You can go to help, and it's actually got a DTC library lookup. So you could just enter a code that you want. So how do you win the scanner? Like, comment, share, tag a buddy. I'll pick a random name in the comments and reply to them, tell them they won, and post a story.